Sara. Toka data ni aje? Hapo hivyo hapo itakuwa ni si wale bado hajamaliza ile ya unatuliwapea. Yes, it's another day. London session. Let's do top-down analysis for gold. There was support zone here as a resistance zone is yet to form on the daily time frame. Tariff has bring a lot of volume has brought volume the markets. There's a resistance zone you can see, and you have a possible zone of support there. So we go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see this 1 hour time frame is crossing in the next one, in the next 1 minute. That candlestick is closing at above this resistance zone, above this support zone. That is the top of the 1 hour candlestick, and you can see that a support was formed. Candlestick moved down. Yes, when it moved down, it closed below this support. This next candlestick is closing back into the range. Maybe this is a fake out. We don't know. Yeah, maybe this zone is a fake out. Now we have a resistance there, and in a downtrend, in a bearish trend, we wait for we take a sell, we wait for support to form, retest, forms a resistance, then a retest, a support forms, retest, take sells to retest the row, or when in a bearish trend, a support, when the this zone of support is broken, you take sells when the support is broken, or you take buys when a resistance is broken. Wait for a support to form, and when support forms, resistance form. When resistance starts breaking, you take buys. But you can see here a support also formed to the left. This move down, could it be a fake out? Let's see how this candlestick will close. Yes, you can see how the 1 hour time frame is closing, a weak bearish candlestick. If price starts breaking these highs here, which is the 1 hour high, I'll be willing to take buys. If price starts breaking resistance, because it's volume time. It's volume time. There is a lot of volume right now. I can't take buys here because I will be taking buys towards a resistance and price may reject. So what's the best thing to do? The best thing is to wait for price to break this resistance zone here to take buys. It's London open. Yes, the London session, it's London open. And you can see that China to impose tax tariff on certain US products, yeah. So there's a lot of how could Trump affect the UK, yeah. There's a lot of volume in the market right now because of, yeah, those tariff wars. But I'm trading the London session, so it's waiting, yeah. So waiting for price. This could be a fake out. This move down. Now we have a resistance zone there. Looking at the 15 time frame, yeah, you can see the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone, yeah. So this now, since this zone was broken, yeah, and price closed below, we are going to move it to there. That is where we are going to have our support zone. Yes. Then we have our target is up there. The reasons why I didn't take this trade when this price was it broke, is because you can see on the 30 minutes time frame they are these weeks. So I waited for price to close below these weeks. Looking at the 15 time frame, you can see, yeah, these weeks there were a lot of weeks, and again this M30 price broke the previous M30 high. So I stayed out of the position. I didn't take this impulse sales when the price started breaking this low. So I waited, yeah, waited for this candlestick to close, yeah. Since it closed bearish, yeah, I saw this candlestick opening. I didn't take sales as soon as it started moving down. So I waited maybe for a retracement, a resistance forms, yeah. There were three scenarios that I was waiting for after this candlestick closed. Away, how many pips away from this support now resistance? Almost 40 pips, yeah. I can't take a trade 40 pips away from this resistance zone because it's a 50-50 chance. Yes. So what I did is that I waited for this candlestick either to form, close a weak bullish candlestick above this support zone now here for me to take continuation of the bearish trend sales. All the other scenario was retracement, forms a resistance, yeah. But that now it was out because supports and form, resistance forms here and take sales to retest this row. Now we have this resistance here, which is our third scenario. Yes, price came closed back into this range, yeah, showing that the move down was a fake out. And also you can see on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, it seems a low has been formed, yeah. If price starts breaking these highs here, I'm willing to take buys, aggressive buys, impulse buys, yeah, to retest the high. You can see there are these small wicks here. These small wicks, if price starts breaking them, I'll take buys, yeah. So that's it. That's the analysis of today. So it's waiting. Let's wait and see. No hurry, no hurry, no hurry. There is no hurry in taking a trade today. There is a lot of volume in the market. So if you're in a hurry, you can mess up today. Yeah? This Trump era, there is no room for messing up. Yeah? Because if you are caught in a bad trade, you'll be punished. Yes? So we wait. We wait. Yeah, it's a good thing we are waiting. You can see yesterday in the New York session how price moved. There was a lot of volume in the market. Most of the traders will shift to trade the New York session. So we wait. That is now a support zone there. And this other one is a resistance there. Trump 2.0. Trump 2.0. Trump 2.0 has a lot of volume in the market. Biden's time, there was no volume. Wait, the good thing about this trade is about you're going to wait M15 no. Look at the M30 time frame. M30 time frame is the way to go. You can say that now that the 30 time frame is ranging. You have a resistance and you have a support. And the range is of how many pips from this support? 20, 50 pips. So we wait. The reasons for taking buys when price is breaking this resistance is because we have very retro wicks here, very small wicks. And if price starts breaking these wicks, I'll be taking buys. We wait. Then 15 time frame is flipping. That's a good thing. That's a good sign of taking buys, huh? But patience, patience, patience. There is the 1 hour time frame. If I take buys here, my stop loss will be of how many pips? 43 pips according to the 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. Yes. We will target this highs, huh? That range is of almost 79, 80 pips. This move up, you can see on the 1 hour time frame, this move up to this resistance zone here. I've taken buys, huh? I've taken buys. The first condition of this trade is that the M15 time frame should close above this resistance. Yes, it has closed. Okay, you can see I took the trade and closed the trade at 17 pips profit. There is a lot of volume right now. Yes, that is a trade of how many seconds? I took it almost 1 minute, less than even a minute. The trade lasted for how many? That trade was about of 40 seconds. Closed and I'm done for the day. Until tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. Yes. Yesterday I made a withdrawal of almost $200. History. Yes, these are the withdrawals. 350. Yeah, it's good to. I deposited this. Yeah. I want to see if I can buy a funding account, a funded account. I want to see if I can buy a trading funded account so that I can take a trade, my trades on it. So taking only one trade a day and see if I can. That's it. I'm done for the day. So let's wait until tomorrow. Have a great time, guys, and enjoy yourself. The Trump 2.0